So welcome dear friends once again. Today again we will speak about the chapter 1 and what are the important points. Already I have told many important points. Means I have already explained what are the important questions, definitions, laws and what are the important derivations. Okay. So today I think it's my whole duty to explain you something about the problems which are very simple. You can do that very easily so that you will not be losing your marks. Okay. So today I will be explaining you in front of you some important problem types. Okay. So we will start with what I promised you about the equilibrium of the system. Okay. So we will start with equilibrium of the system. Chapter 1 and 2 revision. Today I am taking PS na PSM. So I will write over there. Today's date 28. Okay. I will take care that you will be also getting it clear. So equilibrium of the system comes with superposition principle. What is the superposition principle? If any vector quantity is there in equilibrium, the vector addition will be taken as 0. That you are knowing. Everybody understood? माहिती आहे ना सगळ्यांना? Okay. So what are vector quantities? We are having only two. One is electric field and one is force. So either summation F, that will be equal to your F net, correct? Of course, vector will be 0, or summation E, that is also E net, will be 0. Okay. For equilibrium, for equilibrium. Now how to calculate F net or E net? F net or E net? F net, if you want to calculate, directly have a vector addition of all the forces. E net also same. So suppose you are having system. Triangle is there, square is there. Mostly triangle, square and rectangle. These are the three specific formulations. This is the square, this is a triangle, equilateral triangle, and this is a rectangle. Now, what you have to do? So I will show you one by one. Okay? I will not solve total problem, but I will show you just like that. You will have a idea. Sorry for the disturbance. There was some important work. So, beta, it's very now very easy. Suppose here is Q, here is Q, here is Q. Now there are two options, na? They all may be positive, they all may be negative. Now, or this positive, this negative, whatever. So, I will give you one idea. Suppose this is positive, this is negative, and this is positive. And you want to calculate force at this point. Not equilibrium, huh? Equilibrium नंतर येणार. Equilibrium म्हणजे कधी? What charge must be kept at the center so that system is in equilibrium. मग तेव्हा काय करायचं? हा note down with you when you want to calculate the equilibrium. At that time, what you will do? Net force you will keep 0. Net force म्हणजे कुठला येणार? हा, and you have to keep test charge at that point. Test charge म्हणजे कुठला? युनिट पॉझिटिव्ह चार्जच टाकायचा. निगेटिव्ह घेतला तरी चालतो, पण आपण पॉझिटिव्ह टाकायचा. युनिट पॉझिटिव्ह. So we will not calculate that charge. It will be unity, but direction it will have. So if it is positive, then this is positive, this is positive. This will repel, and this will attract. In that case, in another way. At this point, now this is the point. This is the point at which we have to find out the net force. So far. So याला म्हणतो मी 1, याला म्हणतो 2, this is 3. So at 3 we are calculating net force. सांगा मला तुम्ही. This is A, this is A, this is A. आता आपण एकच बघूया, एकच केस. We will do for square ना. There is no problem ना. Equilateral triangle दाखवतो. So this is distance A. So this is positive, this is negative. So this will attract. So force will be here. आता force किती येणार मग? F on 3 by 1. F3 by 1. Shall I write its magnitude also? Yes. K Q1 Q2 upon A square. But both are Q. So K Q square upon A square. And here you will write attractive. Here no need to give the sign. We will use the vector addition. Here same. What will be this? F on 3 by 2. That will be KQ upon A square. So that will be also KQ square upon A square. That will be also attractive. Now there is no problem. You are having two forces. Say this is F. This is also F. Both are having same value. है ना? अरे सॉरी. And what is the angle? 60. Okay. So net force will be F net. कसा है ना? F net will be around this. क्या direction? तो कितने है ना? F net will be F this F1 plus F2 cos 60. But both are F. So I can write F plus F cos 60. So it will be F into 1 plus cos 60. And F will be that magnitude. And 1 plus cos 60 calculate करेगा. And here you write now minus I cap. Oh, very slow. Here you write F into 1 plus cos 60 into minus I cap. Why? Because I am taking from left to right as positive. Then from right to left will be negative. That will be minus I cap. Are you getting my point? Understood? Okay. The same we can do here. Now if I will take the charge configuration. If it is plus, then what will happen? If it is plus, then what will happen? That will repel. So it will go here. And it will go here. There is no problem. But again, here it is 60 degree, no? It is 60 degree. So that will be vertically opposite angle. So here also I will get F. So resultant force will be in the middle of that. Here it will be in the middle. Here you can do like that also. What? Here direct killing. Here you can use direct vector addition also. F1 square plus F2 square plus 2 F1 F2 cos 60 and root of that. That will be magnitude and direction. Okay, getting my point? So that was about your equivalent. If it is square, what is the you may switch on the fan, no problem. If you are feeling very. So, beta, if you are in square. What will happen for square? What will happen for square? A. Then this will be root 2a, na? This will be also root 2a. Now 1 and 2. What will we discuss? Root 2a. 1, 2, 3, sorry, and 4. So at any point, if you want to calculate here, so if it is plus, 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 all are cube, suppose, then this will repair, this will also repair, and this will also repair. Out of that, this will be and this will be same, because this distance is same, but this distance is big. So f is inversely proportional to r square. So this force due to this will be less. So that will be f. Now there is no problem. Take it as here and here. This is 90, so it will be 45, 45. So f cos 45 plus f2 plus f cos 45. f2 separate करेगा k q1 q2 upon root 2a bracket square and f कितने नंबर का k q1 q2 upon a square. That's all. So if you are having like this combination, there are three combinations. One is equilateral triangle, another is isosceles, and third one is rectangle. Sorry, square. For rectangle there is no problem. As per the sides are given, you will calculate. Correct? No? Diagonal you will calculate as per the side. Now I want to discuss with you very important and which comes both for board as well as competitive. That is, along the line two charges are there. That's very popular. Along the line two charges are there. Here is plus q, here is also plus q. Okay. Now where should be the third charge kept? Where should be the third charge kept so that system is in equilibrium? Okay. Suppose I take a positive charge. Suppose I keep either here or here. Positive, suppose if it is plus small unit charge is there. Now see, this is positive, this is positive. So this will attract or repel? Repel. This will also repel. Will it be in equilibrium? No, it will move. Because they both are giving in one direction force. So it will move. That is not possible. Equilibrium is not possible. आता इकडे नाही होणार, मग इकडे होईल का? Same thing will happen here. So when it is plus plus and here either plus or minus, plus is equal to it will repel, both will repel, correct? No, and minus both will repel. So plus plus and minus, plus plus and minus. Then you have to keep in between. Okay. Suppose this is a, so it is x. That will be a minus x. Operate the f1 plus f2 0. f1 किती घ्यायचा? x डिस्टन्स घ्यायचा. f2 साठी a minus x घ्यायचा. ऍड करायचे आणि 0 दाखवायचे. म्हणजे दोघेही इक्वेट करायचे. फोर्स ड्यू टू दिस विल बी इक्वल टू फोर्स ड्यू टू दिस. नंतर तुमच्या डाउट सेशन वेळेला जेव्हा कधी प्रॉब्लेम आला तुम्ही सोडवून द्या. नाही ज्यांना गरज असेल त्यांना. बाकीचं सोडवून द्या. तुम्ही सोडवा. So same thing will happen for another combination which minus minus. This is also plus or minus. So plus plus असेल, plus plus or minus minus, always inside. ही idea लक्षात. What you have to keep in mind? If it is plus plus and minus minus, always inside within the. Now if it is plus minus, then what to do? Suppose I will give you some problem. 2 microcoulomb and minus 2 microcoulomb, and say I have to keep 1 microcoulomb. Now see, this is plus and this is minus. Fast होता है, slow होता है, बरोबर चल रहा है. This is plus, this is minus. Now suppose I am keeping plus 1 microcoulomb. Suppose I will keep it here plus 1 microcoulomb. Now it is positive, it is positive. So it will repel. This is negative. So it will attract. Will it be stationary? No, it will go towards minus 2 microcoulomb. Not possible. So immediately I understood. Once it is plus minus, आता उलटे ठेवा, minus ठेवा, no problem. Minus ला उलटा होणार. This will repel, but this will attract ना. So net force will not be 0. Net force will be towards that. It will not be 0. Getting my point? So what is my idea? Either I have to keep it here or here. Now it depends on that charge. Suppose it is plus and I can keep it over here. Plus 1 minus 2. Now what will happen? Minus 2 will attract plus 1. है ना? And plus 2 will attract repel. Now there is a combination. Here minus 2 and 1 charge. Distance is from where? Distance will be this. This is suppose x and that will be a. So that will be total a plus. So for this charge, distance is more. So force of repulsion will be less. पण ते तुम्हाला करायची गरज नाही. तुम्ही फक्त इक्वेट करा. येताना काय घ्यायचं? a plus. ओके नो प्रॉब्लेम फॉर एनी चार्ज. आणि ते उलट आलं की समजू शकता कुठे इकडे जायचं की इकडे. Getting my point? So today you find some problems of this type and try to solve. How many types I told? Equilibrium of the equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, square, rectangle, and this system. Coulomb's law, several झालं. Yesterday I told you about Gauss law applications. 3 applications. And I told 2 plates are there, sigma 1, sigma 2. That is the basic of the concept. Okay. So tomorrow is 29, na? Around 30 your paper is there, na? So I think tomorrow your chemistry preparation will be there, na? So okay, it's okay. I will try to make some video for capacitor also. Huh? Capacitor, not more, series parallel and dielectrics. So that I will do at home. There is no problem. And now we will stop here. You continue with your studies. See my all videos and note down what are the important points and try to do them, so that you will not be having any problem in your boards. That's all. Thank you. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we will meet once again. वीडियो तो हो जाएगा, केमिस्ट्री का पेपर है लेकिन फिजिक्स का वीडियो तो दे दूँगा अब बाद में. टिल दैट स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड विथ फिजिक्स. थैंक यू.